Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maunsa, and today the topic of my project presentation is waste disposal. We will start from the very beginning. As we can see, here is the community. Here is the community area, and from here all the waste, whether solid, liquid or gas, is collected, and from here it is transported to different industries. First of all, we will talk about the recyclable waste, which include plastic bottles, polythenes bags, etc. These wastes are transported to the plastic industry. This is the plastic industry, and where they are recycled to a process in which they are transformed into a small pieces, and these pieces can be further reused for the formation of new products. Secondly, the compostable waste is transported to the landfills. This is the landfills, and here compostable waste is transported. Here this waste is treated by the microorganisms, and the process of aerobic respiration occurs, in which the microorganisms, which include bacteria, decompose the waste, and the end products of this process are carbon dioxide, biogas, and some remains. These remains are then used by industries to make fertilizers, which may increase the productivity of the crops. The biogas is then transported and is used to produce electricity in the industries. This electricity can be used to serve the domestic needs. Now let's talk about the wastewater. Now, the wastewater, contaminated water from homes and industries and from other areas, in sometimes released in lakes and ponds or agricultural areas, which may cause pollution. To prevent this, contaminated water is fed to water recycling plant, where it is recycled through the process, which include 3 steps. The 3 steps: first is the removal of solid waste. This can be done by holding water in large tanks where the solid waste settles at the bottom. The second includes the chemical reaction, where the treated water is then treated with the bacteria and other chemicals so that the water can be perfectly clean. This water can be used for different purpose, like generating electricity or for cooling towers in the nuclear power plants, and most rarely it is used for drinking purposes. Thus, all the waste, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, can be recycled and reused to prevent solution. The things that we have to do is a little effort, and by this effort whole world can be saved from the destruction of the waste. So this is my project of waste disposal, and this is the end. Thank you.